this center provides education for activists, and we are the true activists. This week, from the 24th to the 29th, this is an assembly of activists, and when we go, we must go and demonstrate that activist through the theory that we've acquired here at Tshisimani.
The more I looked at it and the course content to say, we want you to think about what is democracy, where are we, where are we going, we're going to have interactive talks. It really brought by, this is activist education, this is not classroom education.
My experience so far on this camp, being part of role plays, being able to engage people from different provinces on how they've experienced the camp, on the theme of the camp, what is democracy. The issue of land is forever coming up, the issue of capitalism is forever coming up.
All in all, what we did just now before tea was to really look at our work and what our work reveals about South African society today, right?
As people who work in paralegal offices, whether you admit it or not, your work puts you at the heart of what people are struggling with. Hello. Yeah, comrades.
Commuters, you now have an opportunity to sit for a maximum of 5 minutes. Discuss what you have just received and fill in the scorecard.
Constitutional education is a factor that as paralegals we need to look at and teach.
Capitalism has not offered us anything except to continue to impoverish our people. And then you look at the wrong people are in charge. I mean, it's not a secret.
So I have invited the president of the Taxi Association to come and listen to your complaints.
These debates, it may seem like, oh, we were acting and we're here at the taxi rank, but these are actually very real debates that are taking place in South Africa today as we speak.
Today we are talking about wealth and power. What are the symbols? What shows wealth?
If you are wealthy, you need to have money, you need to have livestock, you need to have lots of cars.
Wanda from Eastern Cape, uze subone ukuthi rich funeka ube ne farming, buildings, ibhasi, taxi.
So there are different positions by different individuals about the state of poverty and inequality and wealth in this country. And we want to basically try and portray that debate and then have a discussion about it.
Tshisimani went deep with the explanations of how people are socially displaced because of the inequalities. So I feel I've gained better perspective because of the activities that we did yesterday. Stuart is the co-founder of SERI. Stuart, we've got 25 community-based paralegals in the room who come from different parts of the country.
For you to access law, you need legal representatives in courts, of which those legal representatives does not recognize community-based paralegals.
And the organization did go to court, but they don't have any resources to monitor what is going on. And that's where the problem comes in. Do you think the community can have some kind of impact in that, in terms of monitoring?
Is it sufficient only to say, well, the law's only for the money, so I put my hands up and law will do whatever it wants to do to me? People do successfully resist eviction applications by using lawyers, sometimes by turning up in person.
We wrote to our advice officers back home. We've learned all about democracy. We've gained the knowledge of our country's wealth accumulation and how it must be redistributed. Capitalist economy must fall. We are empowered with constitutional knowledge. The future is bright. We have hope. We'll see you soon.
Find a partner. Yeah. And with your partner, this is your question. Looking ahead.
Yeah.
What is the one thing that I'm taking